have strawberry onion smoothie. Hi guys, my name is Esther. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stepping by. If you haven't been here already, I'm giving you a hearty, warm welcome. Thank you. What's up? What's going on? What's your name? And if you have been here already, oh, your family, thank you for clicking on the video. So today I'm going to talk about how to eat healthy. I had many conversations recently. I've been getting questions in terms of how do I eat healthy, and I noticed that there might be an issue that we can maybe solve by the grace of God. Yes. So I came up with 7 points that I personally do in my life to maintain a healthy food lifestyle. Through wisdom, a house is built, and through understanding, it is established. What I'm trying to say is that if something is new to you, just take it, try it, and then let's discuss. Yeah. If you're not used to eating fruits and vegetables, this has to change, because fruits and vegetables are vital for your skin health. Okay, they contain all the minerals, they contain all the nutrients, the vitamins, everything to maintain a healthy skin barrier and a glow, and everything that makes healthy skin. Yeah, translating into appearance. If you don't like fruits and vegetables, this has to change. And if you have difficulties in embedding those foods into your diet, start with 5 fruits and vegetables a day, right? Not 5 vegetables, 5 fruits in total, so that you have like a to-do list on your head saying that you consumed 5 fruits. These 5 fruits will cover your daily requirement of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients you need. Once you have that consciousness that you have to eat 5 fruits and vegetables a day, it becomes your norm. Yeah, and then naturally you will exceed this number because it's something that you do on a daily anyway. So eat 5 fruits and veggies a day to make the process easier. Not everybody's tongue is used to fruits and vegetables. Some people might just dislike it, alright? And there's nothing wrong with that. But sometimes you have to make sacrifices. I'm the type of person, I love fruits on my days. If you know me, like, listen, give me all types of fruit, I'm good. But it doesn't necessarily apply for vegetables. I can do vegetables and I like vegetables. I don't love them. Yeah, I have vegetables I eat frequently, but the most nutrients are in leafy vegetables like cress and all that other stuff that I'm not necessarily a fan of. I'm not. It's really no. But I do understand the importance of it, so I'm trying to force myself to eat more greens. Technically, greens are a bit healthier anyway. I'm not a professional, right? But in fruits you have fruit sugar, but you don't have the same issue with greens. Like greens, they're your friend. Like greens are like, hello, we're here to do good. This is greens for you. But that's why I got something like that, super green, which is a blend of all good greens that are nutritious, right? Something like that will help me get the benefits that I would miss out on the, you know, vegetables that I usually don't like, and be good. Not necessarily the greatest fan of the taste, but health is wealth, you know what I mean? Eat seasonal fruits. Have you ever eaten a watermelon in December? Yeah, you don't want to, because it's not watermelon season. That means the taste of the watermelon would be less rich. It's just a hot mess. You can do it if you want to, but me, I like to eat seasonal. This also helps you to actually be excited to eat those fruits and vegetables. I suggest eating both in their seasons. That's what I'm personally focusing on right now, because, you know, I want to eat more leafy greens, not just bell pepper, mushrooms. Okay, I need like some leafy greens because those are the real deal, right? Cool. Vegetables first, then fruit. Eat seasonal. Meal prep. Once you meal prep, you are in control of what you put in, and you will feel better about yourself. You do. I understand that time or lifestyle doesn't always allow you to have fresh, healthy food. If you, let's say, prepare yourself some fries and some chicken wings on the side, make sure you always have at least 2 healthy sides on your plate. This is important, because then you are still kind of in control. Although you might have like a, you know, slip day, you have these two healthy items on your plate, which will first of all not make you feel bad, motivate you to go harder. And yes, you had some junk, but at least you had some healthy things along. And this habit will usher you to make better food decisions in general. I don't know. Okay, so coming to motivation and whatnot, I'm a visual person in terms of aesthetics, so it can help to adjust your utensils, your kitchen utensils. If you're a visual person and you like, you know, to put these petty things into your life to make you feel nice, to make you feel special, let's put it like that, then it can help to get utensils that may serve that very purpose and help you get motivated in the kitchen to prepare smoothies, smoothie bowls, etc. If I look at those, you know, I want to get a freshly sliced or cracked coconut and mango and just chop it, you know, and put it in and put some Greek yogurt in it. Utensils like that can motivate you to actually eat those fruits that you bought. You can't just let them rot like that. No, once you have that, you have an accountability partner without even knowing, okay? Like your smoothie bowls, for example, I got those from Amazon. It's really cute. You'll be motivated to actually go in and be like, yo, I want to get my life together. This is how the utensils make me feel, all right? This will make you do the job. I also suggest when getting a blender for savory dishes, for your vegetables. If you like to make soups and similar stuff, or stews, my Ghanaian people them, and another blender for your smoothies, all right, so that you don't have like that onion taste in your mango smoothie. That doesn't make no sense. That's why most people don't like to drink smoothies, because they have been traumatized because their parents have been blending the onions and whatnot, and then now you want to use strawberries and drink it and have strawberry onion smoothie. It's an error. I understand that. That's why I do suggest getting one blender just for smoothies and another blender just for your savory dishes in general. Yeah, always make sure you have fruit at home. When you go to the supermarket, always make sure you grab a fruit you genuinely like. Always get that fruit and don't let it just sit in your fridge. This will develop a sense of accountability and also responsibility, because you don't want to keep on wasting money and the vegetable in that case. Eating out, you know, I get it. You wanna enjoy life, whatever, wanna hang with the girls, with the guys, whatever, you know, it's Friday night and you want to eat out. Listen, I don't pizza fry. Oh, I like it. But I do have a problem if you're only considering those options, although there might be other healthier options that might cater to your health or skin goals. I'm emphasizing on goals. If you're on that journey, sometimes you have to make those sacrifices. It's part of the journey. If you are not considering that, you will never get where you want to get. It's a simple principle you can apply for everything in life. All right, try to always choose the healthier option. Let's say you're out and you have those goals that we just spoke about. Why soda when there's sparkling water? Why Coke when you can get apple juice? You get what I mean? Always choose the healthier version. We have Kit Kat and Snickers. Snickers has peanuts, all right? What do you choose? You choose Snickers. I'm not saying Snickers is healthier over Kit Kat, but I'm trying to teach you a principle, right? When you go out, always think, what caters my goal a bit more? Because it trains you. Sugary but fiber. Think like that. Speaking of snacks, try to switch it up with your snacks. Instead of chocolate, try dates, or if you don't like it too sweet, try figs, try dried fruit. They are sweet and they are rich in fiber. They care about you in a way, all right? They are not necessarily always the healthiest consumed crazily. Try to choose one over the other sometimes, so that you have like a healthier, balanced diet. From snacker to snacker, I'm telling you right now, I don't feel bad if I have other stuff that are not necessarily healthy, but a day before I ate healthy. You get, it's all about balancing it and finessing it sometimes. You get, obviously make sure that they didn't add sugars, because you might as well go for the chocolate then. If you're in a place where you feel like it is difficult for you to make smart food decisions, always start small. No pressure. It's not a competition. this journey is literally between you and yourself. So don't be too hard on yourself. Just know that you are working on it and you are intentional about it, and you do it step by step. Try to eat more whole foods than processed food. Whole foods, which are foods that haven't been processed a lot or not processed at all, are foods that will be good to you, all right, and will make you full for a long time. If you have difficulties to eat whole foods, then I suggest, you know, getting like small toppings, something like mixed seeds like here. And if you don't like dried fruit, get peanuts. I feel like peanuts are a gentle beginner legume. Or almonds. This will make the process easier and you will feel good about yourself. The wise are mightier than the strong, and those with knowledge grow stronger and stronger. Proverbs chapter 24 verse 5 NLT. Stop being a negative Nancy and always try to find excuses. And you're still complaining. Some things in life, they are simple. Be teachable, because once you're teachable, you get what is good for you and apply it, and you adjust it. You adjust it according to what works for you. That's the whole essence of being teachable. You absorb, you learn, you pick it up, you say, okay, this person did that. You do it, you see whether it works for you, and you move. That's why it's called health journey, skincare journey. It has milestones. Yeah, you watch, you learn, you apply, you filter. This is how it works. Yeah, let's say I gave you 7 points. 3 of them do not work for you, but still 4 did. You know, I want to do it. Yeah, that's why you're still in the level where you are. That was harsh, but it's very true. It's unfortunate, it's very true. Don't be too harsh on yourself either. It's a process. Discipline is really needed if you want certain things to improve, and consistency. If you don't do all this without applying it consistently, you're gonna frustrate yourself. You always have these major gaps, you know. Whenever you have improvement, it has a setback whenever you're not deciding to be consistent. Eating healthy is really not hard. It's all a mind thing. You will get there and you will eat healthier. Be disciplined, and most importantly, be consistent. Guess what? You can do all things through Christ. It says through Christ. That means you have to have that desire for yourself first. Jesus is not going to do that for you. Jesus is not going to do that for you. He's just waiting for you. That's why it says through Christ. Okay, you have to do the job, and he will usher you through it successfully, because he's your strength. He's our strength. I pray that this encouraged you to actually embark on that journey successfully, and I know you can. We just discussed why. You will eat healthy. When you have a goal, pursue it correctly and actually work towards it with a determined mindset, and you will get where you want to be. Simple as that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. See you the next time. Bye. Glory to God. Hallelujah.